Take a moment to settle in and find a position which feels nice to you, either sitting cross-legged or on a chair. Place your hands comfortably on your thighs. Ensure your spine is straight, as if someone is pulling you from the top of your head. While keeping your spine straight, relax the rest of the body. You can keep your eyes open, lower your gaze, or close your eyes. Whatever feels good to you. Breathe naturally and observe your breath. Are you breathing fast, slow, irregularly? What is happening in there? Slowly start engaging your diaphragm into breathing and notice how your belly rises and falls on the exhale and inhale. Take a few breaths, all the time paying attention to how the breath feels in the abdomen. Continue breathing with your belly and start mentally labeling breath. As you breathe in, think in. And as you breathe out, think out. In and out. In and out. Start noticing the pause between the exhale and inhale, between out and in. Label this pause and add this to your mental counting. In, out, pause. Think of this pause as being in the present moment, taking a break from the doing mode, allowing yourself to regain your power and recharge before the next busy day. See this pause as a gift, something to be grateful for. When you experience difficulties throughout the day, bring your attention to your breath and then think. In, out, pause. Breathing happens automatically. We experience it all the time. That's why it could be your emergency tool to quickly regain control back by reminding yourself of the pause. When you connect the pause to your breath strongly, it will always be at the back of your mind. And every time before you want to take the pain in, you pause and choose what to do. Slowly start coming back to the room. Wiggle your toes and fingers and start noticing the sounds around. When you are ready, open your eyes.